I have an update for you on the Kilmar Abrego Garcia case. And yes, we all know that he's still in El Salvador. We all believe that he most likely will not come back to the United States while Trump is in office and while all of this government corruption is occurring. Orders from the Supreme Court, from federal district courts are not being followed, but there was a court hearing yesterday, May 16th. It's really important for us to not forget what's really going on in this country. The Trump administration, our government, wants us to just sweep all of these types of situations under the rug and forget about them. And that's why we are bombarded with insanity on a daily basis, But something like the Kilmar Abrego Garcia case affects everyone. Why? Because every human being in the United States has the right to due process. It's that simple. And as we have seen since Kilmar Abrego Garcia case made national, and actually it made news all over the world, look what's happening. It's trickled down to U.S. citizens, okay? It's really gotten out of control. Now, as far as Kilmar Abrego Garcia, as usual, the U.S. government is not providing Federal District Court Judge Paula Zenas with these updates that they are supposed to provide with on a weekly basis. And now they have gone so much yesterday in a closed court hearing. They've gone so far as to say that releasing any information about Kilmar Abrego Garcia would require them to share state secrets. U.S. government lawyers are saying that any information shared about Garcia should be considered to be protected under the state secrets or deliberative process privileges and should not be shared with the public, including federal court system. Attorney for the government, Jonathan Guin, told federal judge Paula Zenas yesterday in court that sharing this information would compromise foreign relations. So I don't know how they take this huge leap, but surely is an interesting tactic. The government shared in court yesterday, Garcia's in good health. He's in a prison in Santa Ana, El Salvador. We already knew that. Now, Judge Zenas said that she takes issue with the fact that all of these documents now the government has sealed. Why are they sealing all of these documents? And how do they justify using these privileges and hiding behind the fact that all of a sudden sharing information about Garcia would compromise state secrets and foreign relations? Zenas hasn't issued an order yet. She said that she will. But what order is she going to give, really? Because as we see every day, the Trump administration does not follow the Constitution, the laws of the land, doesn't follow any laws, doesn't follow court orders from federal courts or the Supreme Court, which in this country, that's how it works. So we'll see what happens with this. I honestly don't anticipate too much, but I think it's really important to keep attention on all issues that are going on instead of sweeping everything under the rug, because everything affects all of us. And if it doesn't right now, it certainly will. I'll keep you updated with everything that's happening and everything I feel is affecting you or us. Please like, follow, and share so that I can continue to provide you with content, and I appreciate you being here.